Hello and welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. So you guys know I love the Dollar Tree. I love taking items from the Dollar Tree and glamming them up, dressing them up, and making them absolutely boutique gorgeous on a budget. You guys have been along with me on this journey. If you have not, go ahead and check out some of those other Christmas, fall, and all kinds of Dollar Tree decorating videos that I have linked down below. And without further ado, let's jump into these 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor ideas. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to create this really cute little sugar plum fairy. It's kind of like a lollipop or a sucker. And so what you'll need for this is a Dollar Tree fuzzy sock. I chose pink because that is what we're going to do for my daughter's bedroom. Some little pearl jewels. I have these in a larger size, but you guys can get some of these at Dollar Tree as well. A wine opener, some scissors, some various assorted ribbon, and that cute little straw. Now I found my straw at Tuesday Morning, but you guys can also find these at Target, and if you don't have any straws, just use a cute little pink handled Dollar Tree spoon. So the first thing you want to do is take an extra leftover ribbon spool. I have a ton of these and I was so excited to find a way to reuse them, and just take a wine opener and just kind of poke the wine opener in and then create a hole. And then I went ahead and also pushed my scissors in to create a little bit of a larger hole, so this cute little straw could just go ahead and be stuck straight down into the hole. Now only create a hole on one end because you want the straw to be able to stop going through. And then I just reinforced this also with a little bit of hot glue. You guys, this project is so adorable and so easy, and you can definitely do this with kids. So you're just going to take your Dollar Tree sock and figure out how long you want your fabric to be, and then just cut it off. And then it's so easy. You just take the little spool ribbon and push it into the top part of that sock. I was actually able to make 4 of these. So just push it in and then kind of gather it at the base, and you're going to tie it off with a pretty piece of ribbon. So once you have your little sucker tied off at the top, you're just going to go ahead and create a shoelace bow with some grass grain ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I just tied a super easy bow and snipped off the ends, and then I also do like to heat sew my ends with a lighter. So you just barely go across the bottom part of the ends of the bow with a lighter, and then you're going to add some hot glue to the base of that. And then I just chose these cute little pearls to kind of finish it off. Again, you guys could use whatever you have in your craft stash. You could use some beautiful bling jewels. You can also use some roses, whatever is going to fit along with your beautiful holiday decor. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take one of those Dollar Tree blank canvases that you'll get in the picture frame section, and we're going to use some of this craft paint from Walmart. I believe these are about 50 cents a bottle, and this is just in a blush pink color, but I'm just using my Dollar Tree paintbrush. I'm kind of freehanding this Christmas tree. So if y'all are nervous about your painting skills, you could also just sketch this out, but I'm just kind of creating some gentle evergreen branches. This is going to go in my daughter's room. So for these projects, I did choose these beautiful pastel acrylic paints from Walmart. Again, they're super inexpensive, and they're a great way to customize whatever kind of holiday decor you're going for. So once once I had my Christmas tree all painted, while it was wet, I just went ahead and sprinkled some gold glitter on top of it. And I just used my finger to kind of spread it out. Again, I wanted this to kind of look kind of modern and adorable for my daughter's bedroom. And then I just took this really sweet picture frame. Dollar Tree has picture frames. I had this one on hand already, and I went ahead and sprayed it with this Aqua Mist spray paint. And I just used one coat, and then I actually distressed the edges of this picture frame to make those pretty loops come out. And then I framed my picture, added this little vintage jewel from her grandmother's stash of jewels, and here it is. I think it's so beautiful and so perfect and very elegant and perfect for a little bit of a Sugarplum fairy Christmas holiday theme. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I am so excited to share with you a project my daughter and I did together for her Sugarplum Fairy Christmas. We just took some of these gold Dollar Tree ornaments and we painted them with these beautiful pastel kind of Sugarplum Fairy themed colors. So this is super easy, you guys. You can do this with kids. You just have a couple paper plates, your paint, some paintbrushes, and you just go to town painting. We did do two coats on these after the first coat dried. After your first coat dries, go ahead and add a second coat, and then while the second coat is still wet, we just took some gold glitter and sprinkled it on there. You can also seal these with if you like with some type of acrylic sealer, but we were kind of good with it. They turned out super cute. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take two Dollar Tree Christmas trees and actually plant it inside of this mirrored frame box. So I did this mirrored frame box off camera, but you just take Dollar Tree mirrors and E6000, glue them together, and then let those go overnight. And then I've just got this Dollar Tree piece of foam, and I'm going to glue that into the bottom of this box. Dollar Tree also sells little gift boxes that work great for this project. You can cover those. I did those in one of my last DIY projects that I will link down below. So once you have your styrofoam in, take two of your Dollar Tree Christmas trees. Now these Dollar Tree Christmas trees I had painted in another video. I just spray painted them, super easy, and you're going to lay them down flat. So you want a flat spot on each side, and you're just going to take them and start to loop them together. So put two flat sides together and then begin to take the other branches from the other tree and loop them in, and that's going to give you a lot fuller of a Christmas tree. You can do this with the white Dollar Tree trees as well as the green ones. So I just thought this was a super easy, fun way to make a Dollar Tree tree look a little bit more expensive and a little bit more full. It takes a little bit of work looping those evergreens together, but once you get it done, it actually looks really cute. So once you have them looped together, you're just going to take it and press it down into your styrofoam. I pressed mine down pretty far because I definitely wanted it to stay, and then you can also still kind of play around with looping those branches in and around. I really like to go heavy on my decorations, so I knew that a lot of the tree was going to be covered anyway. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create just a little snowy garland ribbon effect for our tree. So you're just going to take that white automotive cloth and cut it down the center, and just whatever size that you will want to do for this, and then you're going to hot glue it end to end. We're also going to use this to go around the base of the tree, also to create a really pretty snowy effect. So just take your hot glue gun, hot glue the end, and then press that very firmly into one end, and you're going to create a beautiful ribboned garland for very inexpensive. So once I have my garland ready, I'm just going to go in and around the base of the tree and kind of loop it in and around, and that's going to fill in some of those spots that look a little bit bare. So after I got the snowy garland in and around my branches, I went ahead and added the last strip around the base of the tree. I didn't hot glue it, but you could definitely do that. But I just kind of tucked it in and around, and that kind of gave it a little bit of a snowy effect at the base. And then I took some of this Dollar Tree ribbon. It's a pink ribbon with white polka dots, and you guys can find this in the baby section of Dollar Tree. So I'm just starting at the top, and I'm kind of looping this ribbon down so it kind of cascades down the tree. I used 3 strips of this and just kind of used it in and around some of the branches to kind of create that beautiful designer tree look. And this is a teeny tiny tree, but I think it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So then once I had the ribbon looped in, I'm just going to create this quick little bow, and I just did several loops together, tied it off with a pipe cleaner. That's going to give you somewhere to put the bow on top of your tree, and this is going to be so perfect for my daughter's bedroom. I know she's going to love it. These are the colors in her bedroom, is this kind of pale pink and aqua, and I love kind of the mirrored effect that the base gives. It kind of makes it look a little bit more glam and girly and grown up. So then just take your ribbon and tie it to the top of your tree and give it a really good fluffing. So I used the entire roll of Dollar Tree ribbon on this, but I thought it was perfect, and you guys know me, I love to go over the top. If you guys like a simpler look, you guys can also stop at any time. So the other thing I did with those ornaments is I did take and I tied bows onto the tops of a lot of them. I had extra of this pink ribbon, so I just tied this shoelace bow, and then I hot glued them to the top of the ornament. This step is definitely optional, but it made them look really cute and sweet and very customized. I am so in love with this Christmas tree. It's so perfect and glam. I added in some roses, some ornaments, some sweet little hydrangeas, just some little whatnots that I had laying around, and my daughter was super excited for it to go into her bedroom. I think everything works really perfectly together with this sweet little Christmas tree that we painted and those cute little Dollar Tree lollipops that we created. It's absolutely gorgeous, so fun, and pretty much everything was kid friendly as far as being able to create these wonderful, very sweet Sugarplum fairy DIYs. But not least, I had to share with you this little Dollar Tree hot cocoa and cookie station. So Dollar Tree is carrying these packets of sugar cookies. They don't make a whole ton, but it was super fun to do with my nieces and my daughter. We got some hot chocolate, some Hershey Kisses, the little Dollar Tree snowman napkins, some candy canes, and we had the best time with our hot chocolate bar. We made hot chocolate, we watched the Polar Express, and even though some of the kids were a little bit older, they actually really got into baking the sugar cookies. And Dollar Tree also carries the little sugar cookie cutout cookie cutters, and we also did bake some chocolate chip cookies, you guys, my favorite. And look at this hot chocolate, it was so delicious. We added in candy canes, big giant campfire marshmallows, and of course some chocolate syrup for the top. So thank you all so much for joining me and crafting along with me and creating some beautiful magical decor for your home on a teeny tiny budget. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. I love each and every one of you. I want to give each and every one of you a hug and have coffee with you and craft with you. I just love all of your comments. You truly mean the world to me. You bless my heart with so much love, I can't even tell you. So thank you all so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button. There's a little bell. Ring that bell. It will notify you every time I post a new video. And I thank you all. I love you guys so much, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.